Hey, what's going on, HSSL? As the newly elected historian, I would like to introduce myself here in this blog. My name is Charles. I'm a vocational rehabilitation major here at Stout. And for next year for HSSL, I would like to bring more creative ideas to make HSSL more fun, exciting, and engaged with its members. So, with that being said, here are some of the last few moments of HSSL this spring. So, check it out. Bam!
It's lit. Oh, yeah, it's not gonna work, bro.
Say hi, guys.
Hi.
I'm vlogging. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Hey.
Hi, Mom.
Hi again.
What's up, Charles? What's up? Keyboard.
I just shake it.
Oh my god!
The more you shake it, the easier it is to flick it. Yeah, because gas will stay up.
Oh,
You can't flick it with one finger. You gotta do these two fingers. Dude, you gotta shake it more. Trust me. Shake it more and it'll be easier to flick. See?
it's been easy to click.
Why using two fingers? Yeah, see?
See, you shaked it up really good for Tom, so you didn't have to shake it.
Thank you.
I got string. Hold up this song. This string right here.
I don't want to have these conversations.
Start strong and strong. I started strong, but I ended strong. That's for sure.
Yeah, me too.
You just started.
Something's burning.
Pork chop.
Something's burning. Yoko.
Alright. What's up, y'all? It's your boy, the historian. This is my sixth time trying to do this intro because something wrong with my mic. I'm sorry. Anyways, we left kind of late a while ago. We were supposed to leave around 4:30, but we left around 5. But you know what? That's okay because bây giờ mong they care mong she hope. Okay. We will see you guys in maybe 6:30. Let's go. Alright, so we're here at the camp. And we're gonna go walk around talking to people. Alright, Nong, hold up. I wanna talk to you real quick. Alright.
Talk to me, Charles.
What did you buy for our team?
White bananas.
Exactly, right here. Now, what did I buy?
You bought blue banana.
Where's your blue bandana?
Right here.
Alright, we go represent. Let's go.
Digimon, go hard.
Let's go. We go hard.
Digimon. Yeah, Digimon. You want to join us?
Josh. My question to you right now is, how come you're not cooking?
Why you gotta? No, turn this off. Turn this off.
What?
I didn't give you consent. I didn't give you consent.
No, you stop. Heck no.
Yeah, I was supposed to. No, hey, it's okay. You
Okay.
take our place tomorrow.
No. Okay, Josh is kicking right now.
Just let her take our place tomorrow. Just let her take our place tomorrow.
Are you in bleach then?
Stop.
Alright, he's
Hey,
cooking.
I'm
He's
cooking
cooking.
that, Charles.
He's
Yeah,
cooking.
I'm cooking.
Okay. Alright, Lucy. Our turn. Now. When did you get here?
No, 5, 6, 6.
Wait, really? Yes. Damn, dude. Me and Lucy on 30 minutes late, dude. We got here like 6:30. Yeah. Anyway, turn around. I want to see how your shirt looks like. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Hold on. Let me push that. All right.
I'm fine.
All right. Turn it back around. Turn back around. Now, what does that say? Lucy. Oh, Hairoli.
I'm actually jumping.
Bo is.
Sakura, Naruto. Oh yeah, Team Naruto is gonna beat everyone. Guess what Naruto made today? We made this, we made that, we made more things, but it's gonna be revealed later. So, yes, we made this water.
안녕하세요. 천연보비합니다.
こんにちは。私はカリサ・ヘンガです。どうぞよろしく。
こんにちは。僕ボビです。
こんにちは。こんにちは。I'm the lead です。
ซื้อ
I want to make a Facebook event. I want to make it like
Yeah, he's going to Minnesota.